Hello and welcome to the Midnight Quilt Show. Tonight I have a special surprise for you. It's the premiere episode of my new series True Up, which I put together with my friends at Craftsy. It's available on their new streaming subscription service, and I can't wait for you to watch the very first episode with me tonight. In this series, I'm introducing you to all the people that make my midnight quilting possible, from my amazing family to the people that take my classes, and also the employees that help me run my shop. I can't wait for you to watch it. Let's get to it. Hi, I'm Angela Walters. I'm a wife, mother, and quilter, though not always in that order. I live in Kearney, Missouri with my 3 kids, 6 goats, and husband. I'm the host of the Midnight Quilt Show, and I travel all over the country teaching quilting classes. Welcome to True Up. That's a wrap. I just finished filming a class for Craftsy in Denver, and now it's time to head home. So I quilt all the time. I mean all the time. It's what I do for work, it's what I do for hobby. You think I would get tired of it, but I never, ever get tired of quilting. In fact, I want to be quilting right now. I love traveling for quilting, but the best part is coming home. Hey! Hey, bud. It's so good to be back. I'm excited to see the kids and maybe even fit in a little quilting if I have time. But now the real work begins. You would think that since I run a quilting business, I would get to quilt all the time, but I don't. It gets harder and harder to find the time. Hey guys, it's time to get up. Guys. Hey, we're gonna be late. Drake is our oldest, and he's your typical teenage boy with the broken arm and all. Chloe, my middle child, is a bit of a self-starter and quite the daredevil. Haley, what should I say about you? My cutest? My favorite?
No, he has to lie to the camera.
That's true. And Haley, our youngest, is the artist of the family. Is that good? Okay, guys, we gotta go. Here, I'll grab your plates, grab your backpacks. Let's go. I'd normally take the kids to school, but Jeremy's being a sweetheart and taking them for me so I can get caught up on a few things. By a few things, I mean the rulers. This is the best room of the whole house. The laundry room. Just kidding. I don't even know who puts a laundry room in a quilting room. No, this is the best room of the whole house, my long arm studio. When the original owners built this house, this was the daughter's ballet studio. I promise I didn't ask for a full-length mirror in here, but it works out well. Over here, oh, it's my baby. Oh, it's my long arm. I spend so much time quilting on this thing and I love it. So this is where I do my piecing. I'm actually testing out a pattern for the Midnight Quilt Show, or maybe making some kind of garland. Kind of fun. You have all my cute little pictures and things I've collected over the years, little gifts that quilters have given me. There's just junk back there. This is where I do all my cutting. Oh, and you can see my lanyard collection. I'm not really much of a show quilter. I don't enter shows, so I collect my lanyards as more of ribbons. But I do have one ribbon. That's right, second place in the Tulsa, Oklahoma Quilt Show. I'm number 2. I'm number 2. Grandpa keeps a close eye on me, makes sure that I'm not getting into too much trouble. After seeing quilts at a family reunion in Jeremy's family, I wanted to learn how to quilt, so I asked his grandpa to show me how to make one, which he did. Who would have known that it would have turned into a lifetime love of quilting? I can't be in my long arm studio and not quilt after I check the time. Ooh, I need to go feed the goats. Well, it's a good time to show you the barn. What are you doing? Hey guys. What? What are you thinking about? You want some food? Oh, I know, you're hungry. Hey, here. It's kind of funny because they'll fight like kids as they're eating, because they're kids. This is Carl and May. There you go, a little snacky snack. You've already ate, haven't you? They gotta stay separate because they have the horns. I know. This is Cooper, our miniature horse, and Easy. Easy, you wanna come say hi? I don't think he wants to come say hi. Too bad goating isn't my therapy. Maybe that might have to be the next business. I could make it sound like a chore, but really, it's me time. Oh yeah. There's no way to be frustrated when you're around those cute little guys. They're just so stinking cute. Chores are done, so that means it's time to go quilting. No, actually, I have to go to the shop first. You gonna go to the shop with me? Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Bye, guys. Probably one of my favorite things about the shop is that it's so close to my house. It's such a nice drive through the country. It's only about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on if there's any tractors on the road. It's just a pretty good deal. So now we're heading into the Liberty Square. I don't know, every time I start to pull up, I get so excited. The buildings are so amazing. Oh, and then there's this bank up here, a historical bank that was actually robbed at one time by Jesse James. Jesse James was born in Kearney, which is where I live, and then this is the bank that he robbed, which is very close to where he lived. So this is the courthouse, which I try to stay out of as much as possible. The problem with working on the shop is I want to eat every place and buy all the stuff. If you ever come to the quilt shop and I'm not there, chances are I'm probably around one of these shops. And there's the best shop on the whole square. The shop is an extension of my happy place. If I'm not feeding the goats, playing with the kids, or at my home studio, I'm probably at the shop. Hey!
Welcome back.
Oh, it's so good to be back.
How was Denver?
It was great. It was really good. Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, did you get those rulers?
Oh, they're in my bag. I'm gonna go play with them right now. Fine.
Hey.
Hey,
Sorry to interrupt.
no, that's
I know
okay.
You're getting stuff done. Are those your new rulers?
They are. Oh my gosh.
They look so good.
I think they're gonna be great.
Do you love
they're,
them?
They're perfect. I just got to start playing with them, but I think they're gonna be awesome.
I do need you to sign some books and some checks and things while you're here. So
yeah.
if we could get that.
Absolutely.
Okay,
Perfect.
great.
Ruth has been with me a long time. She helps manage a shop and assists me with the Midnight Quilt Show. She's great at keeping me focused. If it were up to me, I'd play with those rulers all day.
Oh, you bringing a quilt to drop off?
Yes, I am.
Oh, it's so beautiful. I love
What do you
this.
think about the green thread?
I'm digging the green. I'm
think
really
so,
loving
too.
it.
Pretty.
What color's your backing?
The navy.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like a double-sided quilt. Oh, that would look fantastic.
All right, we're good.
Once the shop closes for the day, I finally get some uninterrupted time to test out my rulers and do some of my own quilting. No more noise, no more distractions, just me and my machine. As you quilters out there know, this is the moment you can really...
Oh, my kids want me to come home. Look at that cute little goat. And the kid's really cute too. As much as I want to get to quilting with those rulers, I'm going to spend some time with the family. We live out in the country and have a beautiful pond with a campfire ring, so a weenie roast is kind of a regular thing. Drake loves to build a fire, and the girls help me get everything ready. We roast hot dogs just so that we can get to the s'mores, and because my husband is such a sweetie, he built me a porta potty, you know, so I don't have to go outside.
I didn't get to quilt today like I wanted to, but cooking under the trees with the people that I love most will always be number one.
Aren't those kids so cute? I'm talking about the goats, of course, but my children are pretty adorable as well. Thank you so much for watching that first episode of True Up. If you like what you've seen and you want to watch all the rest of the episodes, you can find them over on Craftsy on their new streaming subscription service. Plus, you get special offers and fun surprises I've selected just for you. Thanks so much and happy quilting.